What's up, guys? Welcome to Parksart again. We got a holiday challenge for y'all. Merry Christmas. Let's meet the contestants. We have Tori and Philip. They're gonna be competing as a team because they are a team. Me and Eve are gonna be a team. Little sis, we're gonna take it down. And we got
the rinse. The rinse are here.
So the challenge is simple. Make your best gingerbread house. Let's have fun with it. Let's not fight. Let's not throw candy.
I have a feeling there's going to be a creative clash. That's what
I'm being very.
Parksart is going to say to do one thing, but Eve may not be.
I'm being very mellow right now.
We just got to make it happen. We're going to sprinkle a little magic on it.
Park, Evelyn, talk to me. So I think we're going really architectural with it. We're going to try to make it look very professional.
We are creating the Love Shack.
Whoa.
You say Christmas, and I'll tell you the first thing that comes to my mind when you say Christmas.
Christmas.
My gingerbread house.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel good. I feel like our idea is original.
Yeah,
I think people are really gonna like it.
Dad and moms, they got a lot of stuff going on.
They use
I
like
really
all
like-
the ingredients.
I really like how Phil and Tori, they crushed up the candy canes. Really, really smart move. So we kind of stole that idea, but we used a different candy, so it's okay.
I've seen them cheat before.
Pulling icing out of my ears.
Three hours later.
Yes, we're done. And we used a lot of icing. We were kind of going for like a traditional Winter Wonderland farmhouse Joanna Gaines.
Can you zoom in on these sticks that I got from the yard?
Oh,
we went out
are those edible sticks?
Those are not edible sticks. I do not recommend you eat those.
I love the hearts.
Without the Love Shack, there would be no Parksart.
I mean, I just want you to think about all the love things. I'm afraid to answer any more questions.
I'm pretty proud. Me and Eve, I feel like we collaborated very well. I'm pretty confident. Shingles look good. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we put our own style on the traditional gingerbread house.
All right, so I'm gonna call one of my friends, one of my artist friends. He is going to be the judge for this challenge. What up, homie? Merry Christmas. All right, so we got 3 gingerbread houses, and you have to pick the best one. I'm not telling you which one's mine, but you have to pick the best one. Really good. Okay, that's the first one. On to the next one. The craziness. Pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. A lot of detail. So that's number 2.
I like the scale on that.
Yeah. A little powdered sugar action. This is the last one. So what do you think of that one? All right, it's your pick. What do you think?
I think I'm gonna go with the first one.
First one?
Yeah, I really like that.
The prize for the number 1 is a free custom for Parksart. All right, so after calling my friend Ben, my artist friend, he was the judge for this challenge, and Tommy and Amy, y'all are gonna be the winners for this challenge.
Yeah, look at the Love Shack one.
So who's getting the custom shoes?
Ooh, we're gonna have to flip for it. In 2021, Parksart, number 1. Merry Christmas all.